Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with the exercise 15.1. 15.2 has already been uploaded. You can see that. In 15.1 we have to do today is that we are going to draw the figures on the isometric paper. Now this is the isometric paper in which dots will be there. In such papers you are going to join these dots according to the measurements given, and on the basis of that you are going to draw the different kind of figures will be 3D. It can be a cuboid, it can be a cube, it can be a prism, it can be any, but it has to be a 3D. Right, now let's move to the first question. The first question is, now draw the oblique and the isometric sketch. Now there are two types of sketches which you have to draw. So for the oblique sketch you will be doing this on the graph paper. This is the graph paper. Okay, so oblique sketches you will be drawing on the graph paper, and isometric sketches you will be doing it on the isometric sheet. The first question is, draw the oblique and isometric sketches of the following solids. Now you have to draw a cube of the length 6 units. So on oblique, firstly I am going to show you both the figures. The second is cuboid of the dimensions 8 into 6 into 4, that is length into breadth into height is given. These two are there which I have done on the graph paper. Now how I have done it? The first figure is that I have to make a cube whose units are going to be of the 6 units. Right? 6 units means, just look here. What I have done is, I have joined 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the 6 boxes which I have joined. Similarly, this side also, up also, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes I have joined. This again, the parallel line will be of also 6. The parallel line of this is also going to be of 6. Now this line you are going to take of 3 boxes. Why 3? Because we have taken this as half as 1. The small one, this as we have taken as 1. Because if I am going to take 6, it is going to come completely over here, and that is not going to make any figure. So I have taken here this small box as 1 unit. Then this will be 2. Then the next will be 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the total I have taken 3 boxes. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So the parallel if I have to make here, the same it is going to be 3 boxes which I will be joining. 1, 2 and 3. So I have joined it. Okay. Then again after here I am going to make this line. And this line also I am going to join 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I have to make a parallel side of this. This is also going to be 6. Parallel of this will be the 6 boxes, and this will be of 3 units. So this is the oblique sketch of the cube whose dimensions are going to be 6 units. Okay. Now let's do the B part, which is you have to make the cuboid whose dimensions are 8 into 6 into 4. So now you can take this base as 8 units. So what I have done here is 8 boxes I have joined. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I have joined these 8 boxes. And this complete joining the 8 boxes will give me the measurement of 8 units. Right? Similarly, this also is going to be 8 units. But before drawing this or before joining these boxes, I am going to make here the height will be how much? 6 units. The height I have taken 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 units. If this is 6, the parallel will also be 6. If this is 8, the parallel is also going to be 8. Now I have to make this breadth. How much I am going to take? I am going to take this 4 because 4 was left. So I have joined 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So join these 4 boxes. The parallel of this will be this one. So again 1, 2, 3 and 4 joined. Similarly from here, now since we have got this, from here I am going to make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 because this was also 6, so I am going to take this also 6. Height I have taken as 6. Okay, this also I am going to take 6 and this is going to be 8. This is 8, this is 8, this is also going to be 8 and this line will be of the 4 units and this is the oblique sketch of the cuboid whose dimensions are 8 into 6 into 4. Okay, so you have to do these two in the graph paper. Now the same question we are going to do on the isometric sheets. Now this is the isometric sheet. In these isometric sheets we have been provided with the dots and in this we are going to join the dots. Okay, now let me explain you separately here how. Now in these isometric sheets we always join these dots. If I have joined these two dots, this will give me 1 unit. This will give me 1 unit. I have to make 3 units, so I am going to make 3 lines by joining the dots. This is 1 line, second line and then third line. So this complete is now 3 units. Okay, so that's how we are going to use the dots by joining the dots in the isometric sheet. Now let's do this first part. The first part is again the same thing. The cube you have to make of the length 6 units. So for this 6 units, that means you are going to make the line by joining the dots. How you are going to make it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have joined here 6 lines have been formed. Okay, so this complete is 6 units by joining the dots. Now this side also, when you are going to move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join the dots and make 6 lines. Done. Instead of boxes, we are joining here the dots. Done. This is also 6. Parallel to this will also be 6. Parallel to this will also be this 6. Now we are left with this line and here we are going to join 6 boxes. We are going to join 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is also 6. Similarly, here also I am going to join 6. Made 6. Now with the help of these two, you are going to make a line and that is also will be of the 6 units. Join these two and you will be getting 6 units. Done. Now once you have done this, parallel to this make it and after this, join this also, this and this. That is also going to be of the 6 units. Then you can join this and you can join this. With that you will be joining this and this is going to be your cube of 6 units. This is also 6, this is also 6 and the height will also be length, breadth and height. All are same, that is of 6 units. And this was your question number 1, A part of isometric sketches. Now let's do B part. Now you can take any measurement. I have taken here as base 6. You can take the base 8 also. As I was not having the space, so I have taken the base as 6. You can take the base as 8 units also. What I have done for 6, I have joined these dots to make 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. Now since this is 6, I need this side I have taken 8 because I have the dimensions 8 into 6 into 4. So 6 I have taken here. Then this length 8 I have taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines I have taken. Okay. Now with this parallel I am going to make this also, which is going to be of the 8 units. This is of 8. This is of 8. This is of 6. Then this will also be of 6 units, which is going to be parallel of this. Now the next step is that we have to make this height. Now with this 4, what we are going to do, what we are left with? 4. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join it. You will be getting this line of 4 units. Similarly, this side also. Join it and you will be getting 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4 and this also 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can join these. This you will be joining with this one. The same you are going to join here. This will also be of 6 and since this length is 8, this will be of 8 and this also is going to be of 8 and this is the complete sketch of a cuboid whose dimensions are 8 into 6 into 4 centimeters, right? And this was your question number 1. You can see this question number 1. This is of the oblique sketch and this is of the isometric sketch. Okay. Now question number 2 is you have to draw these whichever figures are given, you have to draw the same on the isometric sheets. So this question you can do by yourself. You have to draw the same figures on the isometric sheets. That means on this page you have to make it, right? The question number 3 was that you have to complete the isometric sketches of the cubes or the cuboid. Now I have completed it here. I was given with this and I have to make here a cube or a cuboid. So I have completed it. Okay, you can see this here. I have completed it. So this question number 3 also you will be doing it in the book. Question number 4 is now you have to imagine a structure with 5 unit cubes and draw it on the isometric dot paper. Now this means in this question number 4 you have to join the dots such that the length is going to be of 5 units. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so these are of the, this complete is of the 5 units and since you have to make the cube, that means the dimensions are going to be 5 into 5 into 5. This is of the 5 units. Again, this will also be of the 5 units. This also of the 5 and this also of the 5. As we have made the cube of 6 units, similarly we are going to draw the cube of the 5 units in which we are going to join 5 lines. Now this is done. When we are going to make this also should be of the 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, join it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, join it. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, join it and this also join it. Now with these and this, combine it. It will automatically be 5 units. If this is 5, this will be 5. This is 5, the parallel will also be 5. Then join these two, it will be 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if this is 5, this will also be of 5 units. So this is the cube of 5 units. Okay. Question number 5 is that you have to draw this solid using 6 unit cube. So this is the 6 unit cube, same as we have done in the isometric of this A part. This is same as A part and this is your question number 5. This is question number 5 of 6 units and this is your question number 4 of 5 units. And this was your exercise 15.1. So complete this exercise. Thank you.